Good day to you all. I'm creating this video to show you all my viewers how to create multiple Gmail accounts without phone verifications. So you can use anywhere. So as you know, Google will not allow you to use the same phone numbers to create multiple accounts. So this guide is going to tell you how to do that without phone verifications. You can add as many as possible Google accounts. So my name is Michael. Please do subscribe to my channel and use the notification button to see anytime that I release a new video. Thank you. And also like my video. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So what we do is go to your Gmail application on your phone. If you don't have download Gmail application on your phone, you can go to Google Play Store. This is my Gmail application on my phone. So you click here. You can see this your account. You click this button. So click on add account. Click on Google. Let it load. So it's asking me to verify through fingerprint or on my phone. Okay, so it's because my phone has security. I have to verify. So I'll verify through fingerprints now. So yes, it's asking you to enter your email. Instead of that, just click on create account. So enter your name. Let me enter. So I'm creating this one as an example. Michael Kolawole there. Let me enter Michael Kolawole as my name, first name and last name. So click next. So your birthday, enter it month, enter month, year. To enter any year you wish. Let me write 1989. So gender male, continue. That's press next. So you enter your preferred, what is it called, email address. Let me enter Mike 2019. Okay, click next. So as you can see, it says that username is taken. Try another one, but it brings some suggestions that you can use. So you can as well choose from the suggested addresses. So let me just choose Michael Kolawole 280. So I'm choosing Michael Kolawole 280. Now continue. So enter your password here, then confirm password there. So that's what I'm going. So I've entered my password and I've entered it also in the confirm space. So I'll click next. Make sure that your password is a combination of both letters and numbers. So if you want to know that you enter your password correctly in both boxes, you can click this I sign here. So click next. So as you can see, it's telling you to add your phone number. So you don't need to reply to that or add any phone number. Just scroll down. Just skip. Click on skip, then scroll down. Click on and agree. So that's Michael, blah blah blah. So that means your Gmail accounts have been created successfully without phone verification. You can do this many times to create as much as possible Gmail accounts. Just click next. So you can see, you can go back to, you can reopen the application, the Gmail app again to show maybe your new account is already there. You click there, you click on this sign again. As you can see, it has appeared. So that's all. You can use the Gmail for anything, anywhere you wish. So that's all. Thank you very much. Happy listening. So please help me subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Thank you very much. Bye.